Hello everybody, welcome to our channel 1 2 Step. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can upload 10-minute videos on TikTok. If you want to learn more on that, please do watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel 1 2 Step, please subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials like this one. So with that being said, let's get started with the tutorial. So first, what you'll do is you'll open the TikTok app and you will go to your inbox, and then you will click on activity, and then you click on from TikTok, and then on the account updates you can see that I have received a notification saying I can upload videos up to 10 minutes long from my device. So if your TikTok is the latest update, you can now upload 10-minute videos. If you've not received this notification yet, try updating your TikTok, and if you received this notification already, you can already upload 10-minute videos. So to do that, what you'll do is just click on the plus button over here, and once you do that, click on your upload button and then upload the 10-minute long video. Tap next and just wait a while it's being uploaded. So once the video has been uploaded, you'll just tap on, you can see under adjust clips, this is a 10-minute long video. You cannot upload longer than 10 minutes, but you can crop the video if you want. After you do that, you'll tap on next, and you can just post this video or save it to drafts. And with that, this is how you upload 10-minute long video, guys. I hope you learned it through this video. Leave a like on this video if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel 1 2 Step. Have a good day and bye.